service to me. This is pure discrimination.
Okay, so let the officer speak to them inside to see exactly what it is, because maybe it's something more than just.
No, it's not.
Mask. Is it today that you called corporate and complained on him, or was
2 days ago? I didn't come in here yesterday. I called corporate 2 days ago.
Okay, and the last time you were in here, did they tell you couldn't come back?
3 days, no, they didn't. They told me that I had to wear one of their face masks, and that's bullcrap because they're letting other people go in with cloth face masks. They just don't like me. I told you that.
Okay.
They just don't like me.
Okay, well,
because I've complained on them before. They discriminate. You know that in this town, 95% of everybody in this town, it's all Hispanic. And you get these little mafias running the stores, and if they don't like somebody, then they do this stuff to them. And I complained to corporate, and it's been getting better. It's 80% better than it was before. But now they try to get me on this face mask. I had to starve the other night because they wouldn't sell. I'm just trying to buy a can of tuna and a can of Chef Boyardee ravioli. And I had to starve, because this tuna is different than the store down the street. The store down the street, same brand, but it tastes like cat food. They're just being shady here. They won't even, they're saying that a manager said it, but they won't give me the manager's name. And I usually only keep this mask on just to go into the store and come out, and I'm starting to hyperventilate.
Okay, well you don't have to wear it out here because we're outside and we're social distancing, so you don't have to wear it outside.
So I think what's going to happen here is all these girls are going to get in trouble because none of them are wearing face masks. None of them are wearing name tags. One of the workers walked in without a face mask, and I said, she gets to walk in here without a face mask? Oh, well, she works here. This manager is nuts. She's incompetent.
You do have a right to complain.
How's it going?
All right.
What's your first name?
You guys don't need to know that. I'm recording it, and I don't want it to be on YouTube.
Okay.
So I'm going to post this to YouTube. Okay. But she got my first name and everything like that.
Okay, that's fine. So I went in there and talked to them. This is, how many times have you been in here without a face mask?
This is a face mask.
They
let the other customers were walking out. This officer saw them with cloth face masks, and they let them shop here. This is discrimination. They're only enforcing it on me.
But since it's a requirement
to
have an actual face mask.
Yeah, this is an actual face mask.
It's a shirt.
It's a face mask. Look it up online. This is more effective than it. This is more effective than an N9.
They make the policy. So at the moment, they don't want you here back in the store.
Yes, that's discrimination because they're letting other customers. See this customer right here? He has a cloth face mask.
It's not a shirt.
It's a cloth face mask. What's the difference?
I don't make the.
Okay. So.
Another one. They're all wearing cloth face masks.
Sir, the fact of the matter is that, like I told you before, they do have a right to refuse service to anyone.
This is discrimination, so they're going to get a lawsuit.
If they're asking you to not come back to the store, they have the right to tell people that they're not allowed back on their property because it is private property.
Yeah, I am going to call corporate and get permission from corporate.
And that's okay. You do have every right to complain.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Yep.
Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Alrighty, thank you.
And let me get your badge numbers and names.
142, Officer Rodriguez.
Okay, I'm Officer Stride. We're not required to give you my badge number, and I'm not going to give it to you, okay?
Okay, well that's being a tyrant, but it'll make good more views.
Okay.
All right. Okay, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So this video is going to take a long time. I'm banned from this store, and you've seen what's going on here. This is straight bullcrap discrimination because these people don't like me because I've complained to corporate about their shady dealings. Like I said, the store has improved a little bit, but you can see clearly that these people are way out of line and they got to be dealt with. Okay, so there you have it. The lady said she didn't have to identify, So I'll leave it up to you guys to see what's going on. This is Avenal, California. You got little mafias running these stores around here. I can go 17 miles to the next town and go to the same store, Family Dollar store, and have absolutely no problems there. It's this store that has to be dealt with. I'll leave something in the description. I'll leave links in the description. I need you to smash up the likes, smash up the likes, smash up the likes, and let me know where you're coming in from. If you're out of the United States, let me know what country you're representing, and let me know what you think about this video. All right, thanks for watching. Now I don't get no tuna. Like I said, well, you guys heard all that stuff. Okay, so if you got any suggestions on what I should do, what legal actions I could take to continue to be able to shop here, because this is a small town and there's no other place to go to get this stuff. We don't even have a McDonald's here, no Taco Bell, no nothing. So thanks, I appreciate it. And if you want to call the police department, it's Avenal Police Department.